Kia ora.
Kia ora. This is Daniel.
This is Ashley.
So, yes, we said that we'll be making a Q&A video.
Yeah, so we've got a bunch of questions in front of us. So, okay, the first question. Where are you from?
Okay. So, yeah, we're from Korea.
Mm-hmm.
I was born in Korea.
Yeah, I was also born in Korea, but my family moved to Australia, Sydney, when I was 9. So I grew up in Australia.
Oh yeah, I moved to New Zealand when I was 12. So, yeah, I kind of grew up here. But we just wanted to mention this question because people do ask us if you're Japanese or Chinese, where you're from. So, yeah.
We're from Korea. Yeah. How long have you been living in New Zealand?
So, for about at least 15 years, for me, 17 years, 16.
I lived in Australia until I got married, and that was 2016. So about roughly 3 years. And someone questioned us, when are you coming to New Zealand? We are located in Waikato, Hamilton at the moment.
Yeah, so we are here.
Yeah.
So feel free to invite us.
Third question. How did you start music?
Well, for me, I was in Korea, and my parents just bought a guitar and then just made me to this music center without asking me. So yeah, I wasn't really happy about it, but I ended up enjoying playing the guitar, and here I am. I studied guitar at Auckland University as my major.
Yeah. You did classical guitar.
Oh yeah, it was classical guitar.
Yeah. Well, for me, I was always singing at church, and yeah, it was something that I always do, and then ended up doing music degree. So I studied contemporary music with vocals. Yeah, so that's it. What made you interested in Maori Waiata? I mean, I think it started as I moved to New Zealand because I didn't know much about New Zealand and also Maori culture. And we started with Pokare Kareana, which we have in Korean. I didn't know it was Maori song, so that was the starting point, I guess, that we thought, why not?
You imagine that it was just everybody just criticizing us all that.
We wouldn't continue, I guess.
So yeah. Something like that, we wouldn't have continued. Yeah. So it was due.
Okay, next. Do you sing in other languages? Yes, we do. So we sing in Korean, sing in English, and I actually have a bachelor degree of Japanese language. So maybe in future we might try a Japanese song, but I mean, when I was studying, I had to sing in Spanish, Portuguese, and I did like a French song for my recital. And it was actually fun, so I actually like trying different languages to sing.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you speak Te Reo Māori?
No. Not really. But we do know a few words, and we do learn a few words from people commenting on our videos.
Yeah.
Often people just write like a long sentence in Maori, and we try to use Google Translate.
Yeah.
And we learn from there. But definitely we are really interested in learning, like getting a formal lesson or something like that. So we are actually searching some different options. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Do you get help from someone for pronunciation? We get some feedback through private messages, but overall it's just from listening. So I usually find like a clean version from YouTube, and if I need to mark something down, I do that. But no necessarily. I don't have someone.
So, is it quite, I don't know, easier to sing in Maori than other languages to you?
Yeah, I think so because the vowels are quite the same. So I try to sing like Korean, if that makes sense. And we do have similar sounds, like for instance, like that R sound is R in Korean, yeah, and T, not T, but then like the pronunciation of Tereo Maori for T is D, which we have in Korean, and also we have something similar. So I guess it is quite helpful that I speak Korean to sing in Maori.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. How do you choose Waiata?
How do we choose songs? We do search on YouTube. Sometimes people just, you know, ask us, "Oh, can you sing this song?" It's like that. And then, there's this really good website called folksong.org.nz, I think. I'll just put it up here. And there's like huge list of Maori songs there. So sometimes we'll just try to listen to the songs there, and there's really good historical story about each songs and lyrics, you know, what is the correct word or wrong word, or things like that. So that site is so helpful. So we often search for new songs from the website. Yeah. So just, you know, feel free to just comment if there's any song. We're still learning, so.
Yep. How do you practice Maori songs and recording process?
So okay, how do you practice Maori songs?
So I've got this little diary, and maybe we'll have it here somewhere later.
Maybe you can see it.
Yeah, so it's something like that. Hopefully you can see it. So I usually write the lyrics down. I handwrite it, and then I listen and I mark the phrasings, and I repeat that a couple of times, and I sing along while Daniel figure out the
chords for the guitar.
Yeah.
What kind of arrangement are we gonna do? That kind of stuff. And then we'll practice together a few times and try and record it.
Yeah. That's how it is. Yeah. And it usually takes about, I think, maybe 2 days, depending on how much I'm ready. Like depending on how much I practice first, because I'm the singer. So.
Yeah, it's really up to Ashley because she's singing, and we want to make sure our pronunciation is, you know, correct. So we don't want to, you know, say something wrong, and that's scary. But we just want to be careful with, and we try to do it with, you know, that's how we respect as well. So okay.
Final question. What's your guitar?
Oh, well, my guitar.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got it here. This is actually made in Australia. It's called Mayton. It's the brand, and it's like a mini-sized acoustic guitar. So, but one thing I like about this guitar is that it has a very nice pickup system. So I don't put a mic to record. I just plug into my audio interface, and I just record like that, and I like the sound.
Cool.
Okay, so just feel free to ask any other questions. We are more than happy to answer. Yeah. And just want to say thank you because we're making this video because of you guys listening to our music. So
thank you for your love and support.
And we'll keep it up, and we'll see how this musical journey goes. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.